Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa has some beautiful pork belly here. Why I purposely mention the word beautiful is because actually recently if you go to wet market, or at least for me lah, when I go to my nearby wet market, when I look at the pork belly, it is no longer like 3 layers. You know, last time we used the best is the 5 layer. Now even the 3 layer is like so thin. Basically, when I talk to the pork seller, it is because the pork they are selling right now, they are smaller size. They actually tend to sell it earlier. So, but this one, I actually managed to find some much thicker one, at least this size, yeah. You can see the layer. You can see this beautiful layer here. See? This is so much nicer. I managed to get it from poultry mart. So what I did was I have about 300 to 400 grams of pork belly here. Nice, very nice pork belly. And I actually blanch it under, I blanch it for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Then I cut it into cubes like this. All right, that's all you need. Blanching process, basically, it is just to help you to remove the gaminess of the pork, yeah? Then let's look at how I'm going to make the Tauk Yew Bak. Oh, talk about Tauk Yew Bak, braised pork belly. My previous video's version of Tauk Yew Bak is really more towards the China version, mainland China version. Today, I'm going to try to make the local version, what my mother used to cook, how my mother used to cook. Usually, it is darker and it has a little bit more sauce. Yeah, it has more sauce. And you can find it in most of the zap fan restaurant. All right, so I'm going to attempt to make that type, not the China version, right? Okay, so first of all, you need the, this is the pork, yeah, pork chunks. And then you will need 1 piece of bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 pieces of star anise, and 1 tablespoon of rock sugar, some minced ginger and few slices of, minced garlic and few slices of ginger. And I have here with me, this is 13 spice powder. You can use 5 spice powder, no problem at all. Then of course we will need some seasoning. So these are my seasoning. Of course we need some fine salt, some light soya sauce, some Sautéing wine, and also this is the caramel dark soya sauce. And I will be using some of my Cooking Appa vegetarian mushroom kombu powder. Or you can use any chicken stock that you have, no problem. So first of all, we are going to give it a little bit of oil. This video will be a bit different than what I used to do, okay? Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the garlic and also ginger. Oops. My hand got splattered by oil. All right, let's saute this. For a while, before we continue, we will come back shortly. We want to brown the garlic or ginger a little bit, yeah? So this is like even less than 1 minute. The garlic already started to brown. We can now put in the pork. We can put in the dried herbs, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and also star anise. Let's saute it let's saute it a little bit. Now we can give it some Sautéing wine. Ooh, my Sautéing wine is finishing. Bit of light soya sauce. Always remember, in Chinese cooking, when we use the word braised, usually it means soya sauce. Now it is, just now it's a light soya sauce, now it's the darkened soya sauce. Yeah, it's a dark soya sauce. So you always want to be careful on dark soya sauce, because dark soya sauce can make your dish become bitter if you put too much. Already looks very, very appetizing, isn't it? Next thing, I'm going to give it some hot water. One tablespoon of rock sugar. Let me double check the focus. Appa is also the cameraman. Some of the 13 spice powder, maybe about 1 teaspoon. If you can't find 13 spice powder, you can use 5 spice, no problem. 13 spice powder is more, it will give you richer flavor if you have it. 1 teaspoon of my mushroom powder, or you can use your chicken stock, no problem. Don't forget to put in some fine salt. Now we can tune down the fire. Probably I'll give it a little bit more liquid. Okay, it's now already boiling, so I cover it with a lid, tune down to medium or medium low, and I will cook it for at least about 20 minutes, 20 to half an hour lah. Depending on the texture of the pork belly that you like. If you ask me, 20 to 30 minutes is fine. Almost done actually. See how simple it is? One thing you just have to take note is, if the water level will keep on evaporating, it will reduce. Yeah, the water will reduce. So probably you want to come and check the water level every like 10 minutes. Then if it's too low, you do need to add in more water or a little bit of Sautéing wine. Do you need to add oyster sauce? Up to you. Today I did not add. Today is really what I call a Tauk Yew Bak, only made using Tauk Yew. Tauk Yew means soya sauce. So this is after about 27 minutes of cooking under medium-low heat. You can see how beautiful it is. Look at the caramelized color. And I've tasted a little bit just now. The meat and the skin actually taste really bouncy. Exactly the kind of texture I'm looking for. So basically now, this meat is ready to be served. So here's Appa's best ever version of Tauk Yew Bak, or braised pork belly with soya sauce. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.